Hey, good morning everybody. Hope you guys are having a good morning. Today is going to be a how-to video on the Sharp Electric EX A102 cash register today. So I'm going to show you how to work it in just a few minutes. This is going to be only a short tutorial video for you today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so the first thing off that you want to do when you start working on this register is you're going to want to log yourself in. So what you're going to do is you're going to go right here, and then it's going to log you in. Focus, please. Thank you. You go right here, and then you go to clerk. You go cashier number 1. Oops, sorry. And then clerk 1. And then you go like this. You press that, and then there you go. And that logs you right into the register. Okay, so now that we're logged in, we're gonna go ahead and start adding some prices. Yeah, adding some prices into the. You go right here. You go to 450. You go to 375. 375. And let's say that that's all they're getting right now. So we're going to go ahead and hit submit. And the total comes to 903. So let's say they want to take, they're going to probably take about $2 off today. So hit that. Hit that. And it hits that total again. And then their total now comes to $6.84. So now that's time to check out. Now they're going to pay for it. Now they're going to pay out of 10. And then they go like that. And then it goes right here. And the cash will be right here. And then the change is right here. And that's it. And that's it right there. Okay, so now let's say they wanted to return an item. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and 450. And then it goes 350. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit that. Hit subtotal there. I'm not sure if that actually did it, but okay, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna do that on the fly while they're doing the transaction to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit 250 as usual. Hit that. We go 356 plus 789. And then 458. Okay, so now and then they decided that they don't want the 450, so we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to go ahead and type that in. Hit that. And then that takes the 450 off of the transaction. So now we're going to go ahead and hit subtotal. And the total is now $16.35. So we're now going to go ahead and hit checkout, and then we're going to check it out by hitting $20 instead of getting 20. And we're going to go ahead and hit this button right here. And that's basically how you check them out. Okay, so anyways, now that's the whole entire cash register. This is the the Sharp Electric EX-A102 cash register. And this is just a little basic register. I hope you guys enjoyed this little demonstration video. I will this is one of my new how-to videos. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will and if you guys want to hear any more of these more of these videos, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below, and I will definitely get another one up for you like this. So anyways, I will go ahead and end the video here. And if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Thank you.